Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Titula Femi. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this yummy fried rice. Okay, so I started off by adding my cooking oil into a bowl, and also I added my wash rice. Yeah, it's important for you to wash your rice, and wash your rice until the water runs cold. So I continued frying. I continued with the frying of the rice. Then I added thyme. I added thyme. I added curry at the stage, and then I continued with the frying. Yeah. Also, remember at this stage you want your cooker to be on low to medium heat. You don't want your cooker to be on high heat at this stage because you don't want the rice to get burnt. So yeah, and then you keep frying. I fried here for a few minutes, and then I moved on to adding water to the rice, and also I added stock to boil the rice. Guys, I would like you to support me. I would like you to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. I really need your subscription, and then share this video with your friends and your families. Yeah. Uh thank you for your support. Thank you for supporting me always. At this stage, you you need to check for your salt, and and check for the seasoning. As you can see in this video, I checked for salt, and I think I added salt here. So you want to check if you need to add salt, if you need to make little adjustment to the seasoning. At this stage it's important. Then I cover it to boil, and yes, the rice is ready, perfectly boiled. And yeah, I moved on to adding butter to my pan, and also a little bit of cooking oil, and then I added prawn. You can use something else. You can use sausages, you can use gizzard, but in this video I use prawns. So I continued with seasoning of this prawns. So I added minced garlic and ginger to the prawns for seasoning, and I also added all-purpose seasoning as well. So yeah, then you don't want to overcook your prawns. So after a few minutes I removed the prawns, and then I added more ginger and garlic, more minced ginger and garlic into the pan. And at this stage I introduced my vegetables. uh I used carrot, sweet corn, peas, and green beans. So yeah, feel free to use vegetables of your choice, and you can as well adjust the quantity, the ratio of vegetables to rice as well. It depends, it's up to you. If you are the like veggie, like if you like veggies, and you just want, if you are the type that like veggies, you like a lot of veggies in your food, yeah, you can add. It's up to you. Yeah, but in this video I think I used ratio 1 to 4 veggies to rice. Yes, so I seasoned the vegetables with curry, with thyme, with stock cubes, white pepper, yes, white pepper, all purpose seasoning. Yeah, I seasoned it, and I added more vegetables. I added bell peppers. I love I love to add bell peppers to my fried rice. Yeah, it's just take the taste to, to the next level. My next level gang. So I love bell peppers in my fried rice. So I added more vegetables, and then I continued with the frying, and yeah, but make sure you don't overcook your vegetables. You don't want to overcook it. You don't want the vegetables to, you want to retain the color, the beautiful colors, and as well you don't want your veggies to be soggy. Yeah, so just for a few minutes, just make sure it is perfectly seasoned. Yeah, and then at this stage, I added the rice, the boiled rice. I added it and then keep frying again because it's a fried rice. You need to fry it so the fried rice will. I added the rice, the boiled rice, and then I fried. Yeah, you want to fry, you want to keep frying, keep frying, keep frying. At this stage, the taste that was coming out of the fried rice, oh my god, it was so tantalizing. And even the taste, oh my god, it was so yummy. I would like you to recreate this recipe and come and leave me a comment, and trust me, you will like it. And then at this stage, I introduced the seasoned prawns. So yeah, and let the whole thing marry each other. Yeah. So come on, see. This was so yummy. It was so yummy, and yeah. So try this recipe. You will like it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking this video already, because I know you're gonna like this video. Thanks for liking. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for subscribing to this channel. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you, and I love you all. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.